Whilst we have pricing available for the vast majority of site sizes on all of our products, some of them have site size restrictions. So when your defined site exceeds these limits, the price of a report will be presented on the product selection page as POA, or price on application. You can still proceed with an order request by adding this to your basket and clicking request quote. From there, this is a very similar checkout page to a normal order. You can add an additional email address if you have one. You'll need to enter reference, but instead of place order, the button reads submit request, because that's exactly what you're doing. Once you've submitted that request, one of our dedicated support team will pick it up and be in touch as soon as they're able.